right, kids, so for this one, I'm going to do this part first. So 1/4 less than 2x minus 7 over 2. Here, I have to cancel the fractions. Now, the fractions, right, have different denominators. So in order to get rid of it, I can multiply by the greatest one. This is the higher one, so I'm going to multiply both sides by the bigger one. Here, by multiplying by the bigger one, I can cancel these two right away, and I still have the 1 left. Over here, they don't cancel out completely. I can simplify the 4 and the 2 by 2. So I get 1 here and 2 over here, right? Because 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. I'm simplifying by 2. In other words, dividing these 2 by 2. Okay, and after that, I still have this 2 on the top, so don't forget it. So I have 2x minus 7, and all of that I have to multiply by that 2. Okay, so my next step would be 1 is less than 4x distributing minus 14. Okay, and then plus 14 to both sides. The zeros out. 4x, and here I have 15 divided by 4 divided by 4. So x greater than, and here you can put it in mixed numbers. So 4 times 3 is 12, and then I'm going to have 3 left over, 3/4. This, how I got that is I divided this part right here, 15 divided by 4. So I get 3, remainder 3. 3 and 3/4. Okay, so that's part 1. Part 2, I do the same thing. Now I'm going to take this part, okay? So I'm going to write it over here. 2x minus 7 divided by 2 is less than 5. Okay, so my first step will be times 2, just like it was over there. This one, it's only one fraction, so it's simple. These two cancel. And this is 10. We're at the party here. Plus 7. The zero's out. 2x is less than 17. And last step, divided by 2. So x is less than 17/2, or x is less than, okay, and 2 goes into 17 8 times. That's 16, and then 1/2 is left over. Okay, and to write it together, you combine it. Right, the x can be in the middle. Take this part right here, less than 3 3/4. And on the other side, you have less than 8 1/2. So this is how you would write it together. Okay? To graph, you have 3 and 8. Pretend that's 9 and that's 4. Okay? They're both open circles. So if this is 3 3/4, and this would be 8 1/2, and x is going to be greater than 3 3/4, so this way, but less than 8 1/2. So that's what it would look like.